Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. Wish you all a very happy new year. May 2022 be full of happiness, peace and prosperity for all of you and for me. So we all make resolutions for the new year, and the most common ones are setting good habits for good health. But the problem with resolutions is we can hardly keep up with them. So what I do is I start off practicing those new habits from the year before, and that is exactly what I did with my fitness regime. So before 2021 was coming to an end, I got my gym's membership. I started working out, I started practicing yoga. So if you all are interested in any of those kind of health videos, please do consider subscribing to the channel and continue watching this video, because you will be seeing how I started off my workout. See, I've been very lazy past 2 years since the time COVID, the whole pandemic hit. I stopped working out. I was in some other mood itself, and I realized it's not good for my health, to a point that I could figure that my stamina was dropping, my strength was not as great and everything. I thought it's high time that I get back in my fitness regime. Luckily for me, because I'm vegan, I don't put on excess weight even if I'm not working out. But because I've been traveling so much and I literally was hogging, sorry I have to use that word, on the junk food, like be it chips, samosas, aloo tikkis and whatnot during the past few months. So I feel that I have gained a little bit of excess weight here and there, but my focus is not going to be weight loss. My focus is gaining my strength and stamina and overall fitness. That's what my resolution for this year is. So let's go ahead and see how I started my fitness journey even before 2021 ended. So one thing that I have incorporated in my fitness journey now is apple cider vinegar, and I used to take apple cider vinegar because I know the kind of benefits it gives for your gut health and overall metabolism. However, because of the sour taste, I used to do it for a few days and then give up on it, because every morning wake up and have apple cider vinegar used to be like pain. So I was never really able to sustain that very good habit. So when I discovered these apple cider vinegar gummies by Bodywise, I thought I should give them a try. And the best thing was Bodywise has a free consultation with their nutritionist for all our wellness concerns. So when I took a consultation with the nutritionist, I was given a heads up for these gummies. So if you all have also tried apple cider vinegar in the past and have not been able to sustain because of the sour taste, then these yummy chewable gummies are definitely for you. Good part is they have no added sugar, they are 100% vegan and gluten free. So definitely this product is like a life changer, and I've been having these gummies like every morning.
These gummies are great gut health and weight management supplements for women.
It is so good. So what they do is they improve your gut health. Sorry, I'm not supposed to be talking when I'm eating. So what they do is they improve your gut health because they have inulin, which is a prebiotic. So it just helps you absorb all the nutrients from the food that you eat even better. Plus it improves your metabolism and keeps hunger pangs away. So we all know there is no shortcut or quick solution to fitness. We have to be consistent. So is with these gummies. You need to take them for 3 months to show results. If you all are interested in the product, you can visit the description below to purchase, and you get a special discount if you use my code, and you also get 20% cash back on your purchase.
So ladies, if your goal for 2022 is to maintain your weight or simply lead a healthier lifestyle, you can take guidance from the Bodywise nutritionist from the comfort of your home. Visit the link in description to book a free online consultation with the nutritionist.
So yeah, I'm done with this. Now I'm going to quickly get ready for my gym, and before I leave I'll have bananas and I'm going to head on to the gym. So I'll see you there.
Since I'm working out after a very long time, my personal trainer Mandar and I decided that we will take it very slow and only do a full body circuit with light weights or body weight. So I don't have too much soreness and I'm able to be back in the gym the next day.
Starting from the scratch. Oh God. So be regular. That's my resolution for 2022, that I'm going to be regular with my physical fitness.
That's Abhijit, who used to be my personal trainer earlier before pandemic, and he's seen me after 2 years. He said I haven't gained any weight. Benefits of being vegan, I guess. Stretching is like TLC for tired muscles after a workout, and it's very important as it improves flexibility, reduces soreness, and it helps in staying injury free. And that is why it should never be missed.
Thank you, Mandar.
Welcome, ma'am.
I really hope you all enjoyed watching my workout, and if you all are also someone like me who had become a little lazy during the pandemic and had given up on the fitness game for some or the other reason, I really hope this video inspired you all to get back on the track and start your fitness journey once again. For me, health, happiness and peace are going to be my priorities this year, and I'm totally going to focus on that. I wish the same for you all as well. I really hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you all did, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good and be blessed.